Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Baker DeMare. If you're new here, I'd love for you to stick around by subscribing and liking this video. So today, I'm gonna show y'all how I make my green smoothies, what all I put in them to make them taste great. I love smoothies. I have them at least every other day probably, but I love them because they keep me full throughout the day and they're really tasty. Also, part of my appearance today, I haven't really been feeling the greatest, but I wanted to film this for y'all of how I make my smoothies. First, I'm gonna put in some of this organic pulp-free orange juice. I usually like to use almond milk, but we are currently out of it. Then I'm gonna take 2 handfuls of this baby spinach. Then I'm gonna put in half a banana, some organic wild blueberries, a few coconut chips, and lastly and most importantly, I'm putting in a blender balm. These are by Hush Up and Hustle, and it's a girl named Helen Hall who I've actually known for a very long time, and she has created these incredible balms, and let me tell you what they're full of. Chia seed, hemp seed, flax seed, walnuts, pecans, bee pollen, dates, cinnamon, vanilla bean, and local raw honey. So you don't need to put any of that stuff into your smoothie. It's all rolled up in these little balls. They're so good. They're so good for you. She's built such an incredible brand, and I love using her stuff. This is my current favorite flavor. It's aloe collagen, but she has lots of other flavors as well. So I'm just gonna throw this in there. I'll leave a link in the description bar for these, but they're so good. She's based out of Charleston, but she can send them anywhere. And y'all, these are good in smoothies, obviously, but I eat them plain. You can just pop them in your mouth and they're so good. They're super filling. I would definitely recommend trying them. So check them out in the description box. I promise you won't regret it. Now it's time to blend. This is the finished result. So stinking good. I hope y'all like this video. If you have any other suggestions for smoothies, I always love trying new stuff. So please let me know in the comments below. But I hope y'all have a great week, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.